Hello from UK Property Accountants. The UK Budget 2024 has just been announced. Delivered by the first female Chancellor, Reeves, and the Labour government after 14 years, this budget aims to raise £40 billion in taxes. Here are 5 major highlights from the just announced UK Budget 2024. Stamp duty land tax. Reeves announces that starting tomorrow, that is 31st October 2024, the government will raise the stamp duty land surcharge on second homes by 2%, from 3% to 5%. Capital gains tax. Reeves announces that capital gains tax rates will go up. This tax applies to profits from selling assets like a second home or investments, including shares. The lower CGT rate will increase from 10% to 18%, and the higher rate will go from 20% to 24%. However, CGT rates on residential property will stay at 18% and 24%. Inheritance tax. Reeves plans to keep the inheritance tax threshold freeze in place for another 2 years, extending it to 2030. This means the first £325,000 of an estate can be passed on tax-free. If the estate includes a home passed to direct descendants, this tax-free amount increases to £500,000. For estates passed to a surviving spouse or civil partner, the tax-free allowance goes up to £1 million. Increase in employers' national insurance contributions. While the government has kept its promise of not increasing income tax, VAT, and national insurance for working people, starting in April 2025, employer national insurance contributions will increase by 1.2%, bringing the rate to 15%. This change is expected to raise £25 billion each year for the government. Also, the earnings threshold at which businesses start paying national insurance for employees will be reduced from £9,100 to £5,000. Also, Reeves announces an increase in the employment allowance to support small businesses. The allowance will rise from £5,000 to £10,500, allowing 865,000 employers to avoid paying any national insurance next year. Government to abolish non-domicile tax regime. Reeves says she will end the non-dom tax system and remove the idea of domicile from the tax system starting in April 2025. Currently, UK residents whose permanent home is outside the UK don't pay UK tax on income earned abroad. This change would replace the non-dom system with a new residence-based scheme designed to be internationally competitive for people temporarily living in the UK. According to the Office for Budget Responsibility, these changes will bring in £12.7 billion over the next 5 years. Thanks for watching. If you need the assistance of property tax specialists for dealing with the new UK 2024 budget announcement, remember to book your free 15-minute discovery call to explore your tax needs. We're here to help you navigate your financial journey on the onset of this budget announcement. See you next time.